Hello everyone. In this session of CCNA series, I will discuss Cisco SDN and Programmability solutions. Cisco offers different types of SDN and network programmability solutions. Three solutions mentioned in the CCNA curriculum are Open Daylight Controller, Cisco Application Centric Infrastructure or ACI, and the third one Cisco APIC Enterprise Module or APIC-EM. Let's go ahead and go through each of these solutions in a brief. The Open Daylight Controller, also known as ODL, is an open source SDN controller platform that provides a programmable network environment. It is an open source SDN controller platform developed under the Linux Foundation. ODL supports a variety of southbound protocols including OpenFlow, NetConf, and OVSDB, along with BGP-LS and PCEP. This allows to communicate with wide range of network devices and infrastructure. If you see on the right side, these protocols or SBIs can communicate with different network devices. So ODL has many features with many SBIs and many core features. ODL also provides northbound APIs that allow applications and services to interact with the controller. Cisco offered, as discussed in the previous session, I think we already discussed about APIs and REST APIs. REST API is used when your application is on the different server, and the Java API is used when the application is on the same server on which the controller is hosted. Cisco also offered a commercial version of Open Daylight Controller, which was called Cisco Open SDN Controller or OSC. But unfortunately, Cisco no longer produces and sells the Cisco OSC. The next solution we have is Cisco Application Centric Infrastructure or ACI. Cisco ACI is a software-defined networking solution designed for data centers. It is designed to automate and simplify network provisioning and management in data center environments. ACI consists of majorly three important components: spine switches, leaf switches, and APIC, Application Policy Infrastructure Controller. The Cisco ACI uses a specific physical switch topology called spine and leaf. With ACI, the physical network has a number of spine switches and a number of leaf switches. So each leaf switch must be connected to every spine switch, and each spine switch must connect to every leaf switch. So leaf switches don't need to be connected to each other, but the spine switches as well, doesn't require to be connected to each other. But the endpoints, those devices are connected only to the leaf switches. The endpoints can be like connections to devices outside the data center, like the router on the left, or by volume, most of the endpoints will be either physical servers running a native OS or servers running virtualization software with number of VMs. You can also connect a single hardware endpoint like Cisco UCS. Depending on the design requirement, this UCS might be connected to at least two leaf switches, both for redundancy. Sorry. This ACI fabric is managed by Application Policy Infrastructure Controller or APIC, which is a centralized controller. If you see on the right side, we have a controller called APIC. The next solution we have is Cisco APIC Enterprise Module. The Cisco Application Policy Infrastructure Controller Enterprise Module or APIC-EM is the SDN controller for enterprise network. It offers a centralized management interface for configuring and managing the network. It provides a single point of control for the entire network infrastructure. It is actually designed to integrate with our existing network infrastructure and use of the same traditional switches and routers with their familiar distributed data and control plane. It also includes these applications like topology map. If you see on the left, it includes an application that discovers and displays the topology of the network. It also includes path trace, the second one. The user applies, I mean, in the user supplies a source and destination device, and the application shows the path to the network along with the details about the forwarding decision at each step. And the third app is plug and play, which is nothing but an application that provides, for example, day zero installation support, that you can unbox a new device and make it IP reachable through automation in the controller. It is like a plug and play device. And the fourth application it includes is easy QoS. With few simple decisions at the controller, you can configure complex QoS feature at each device using this app. Epic EM interact with the management plane of the devices via Telnet, SSH, and SNMP. Consequently, it can indirectly impact the data and control planes of the devices. That's it for this session. I hope this was informative for you. Thank you for watching.